The state's numbers continue to improve. The vaccine effort is struggling to keep up. Illinois is receiving more doses than most states, but vaccine appointments are still hard to come by.
That's right. WGN's Dana Rebick spoke to several people who are trying but constantly failing to get their vaccine. She's live in our newsroom with more. Dana?
Well, the state has left it up to each individual county on how to distribute the vaccine. Some health departments are offering drive-through clinics. Others are relying mostly on pharmacies to administer doses. But what's clear across the board is that getting an appointment is not easy.
There's just nothing available, no time slots, no days. You know, I'm looking months out. There's nothing available.
For the last week, Pam Perrin has been trying to get a COVID-19 vaccine appointment for her 85-year-old father. But like many who are hitting a dead end, she's finding the demand is far exceeding the supply.
I think the bigger issue for me is the accessibility and the way we're asking our seniors to be technically savvy to make an appointment, of which my dad cannot even check his email, let alone figure out how to sign up for online, accounts.
It's like you're running in circles trying to sign up. I'm a vet, and I've had a couple vet friends say that they got vaccinated through the VA, but you had to be on the VA's health plan, which I'm not. So that's another thing that is frustrating.
Vaccine envy is kicking in. Those in the 1B group hearing about others who are getting a coveted dose.
When you go on at midnight, you hope you're going to be the lucky one that hits it the first. We haven't had success with that.
I've heard about people that are getting vaccinated because they're waiting at the Walgreens for the supply left over. They knew somebody or something. It's opportunistic versus a good, well-run process.
So far, Illinois has received 1.8 million doses, and about half of those have gotten into people's arms. As of today, more than 219,000 people are fully vaccinated, only 1.7% of Illinois' population. With 3.2 million people in the 1B group, the rollout will take time.
You're going to see an increase in the number of vaccinations being provided.
Mark Pfister with the Lake County Health Department says residents there have had luck getting a vaccine at hospitals and a drive-through clinic at the fairgrounds in Grays Lake.
What we want to do is once that vaccine supply goes up, we want people to be able to go to their own provider. We want them to be able to go to their own hospital. We want them to be able to go to their local pharmacy. So ours is a multi-pronged approach.
I'm happy for anybody that gets this vaccine. Good for them. We are able to stay home. It's not the end of the world, but we are looking forward to getting it when we can.
DuPage County is leading all metro Chicago counties with 2.15% of the population fully vaccinated there. There are only 4 states in the country moving slower than Illinois in distribution: Iowa, Alabama, Missouri, and Idaho. Live in the newsroom, Dana Rebick, WGN News.